Touba is an AI-based B2B platform that creates a direct connection between suppliers and demanders. Touba's goal is to use the maximum potential of manufacturers and provide multifaceted and comprehensive solutions to demanders. What is the difference between us and other platforms? Considering excess capacity and providing solutions to use more manufacturing capacity. But what do we mean by excess capacity and how is it implemented? When you create a profile as a supplier on our website, Touba's artificial intelligence tools check your production status and estimate your manufacturing capacity. The gap between manufacturing capacity and your final product is identified as excess capacity and guides you on using your maximum capacity for manufacturing. In the following, you can see one of Touba's services which were previously designed for Canadian farms. First, you enter the characteristics of the soil and the platform offers you two categories of products based on the type and features of the soil, best option, and possible option. After choosing the plant, information about the advantages and disadvantages of this plant. In the end, it is the turn of the costs and profit from planting this crop, how much planting and harvesting, how much cost is required, and how much profit the farmer gets. The table of costs for planting and producing crops is shown to the farmer at the end so that he can more accurately estimate his own forecast for the final amount of harvest by changing the production costs. Also, the user can use this feature-based location on the map. After selecting the product, it shows the best place for planting in red. By zooming on the map, information about the area is provided for users, such as the planting score, the exact location, and the priority planting.